Hello everyone, tiny test 5 on more algebra. This time we're factorising. So remember, it's a tiny test. You try it yourself first, pause it, try it, then play it and see how you went. Okay, so in order to factorise, the first thing you need to find is the highest common factor. So look here, we've got a 5 and a 20. What is the biggest number that goes into 5 and 20? Well, the answer is 5. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. So let's have a look at the first one. I want to get 5 times something should give me 5p. What am I missing? I need a 5 times the p. So plus goes in the middle. Now, looking here, I need 5 times something. I need to end up with the 20. 5 times what gives me 20? 5 times 4 gives me 20. And now we can check it. We can actually expand it and make sure we're on the question right. So 5 times p is 5p plus 5 times 4 is 20. And it works. We've got it right. Okay, next one. Again, look here. What's the highest common factor? We've got a 12 and an 8. Let's worry about the numbers first. 12 and 8. What's the biggest number goes into 12 and also goes into 8? 2 does, but there's a bigger number than 2. It's 4. 4 goes into them both. This one's different too. We've got a p squared. That's a p times p. And then we've just got a p there as well. So there's a p goes into both of those. So as well as the 4, we need a p out the front as well. Okay, brackets. So 4p times what gives me 12p squared? So we've got to end up here at 12p squared. So I've got, think about your opposite to factorising expanding. 4 times what gives me 12? 4 times 3 gives me 12. I also need to end up with p squared, and I've only got a p. So I need another p, because p times p will give me p squared. Okay, in the middle there's a minus sign. Now remember, it's the opposite to expanding, so I've got to go the other one here. 4p times what gives me 8p? Well, 4 times 2 will give me the 8. So I need the 2. I don't need a p because I've already got the p there. So let's just leave it as that. And then we can double check it as we did before. 4p times 3p, that is 4 3s are 12, p times p is p squared, minus in the middle. 4p times 2, well 4 times 2 is 8, and there's also a p. Okay, last one. I've got, this one's a bit different, there's no numbers. I've got an m squared and I've got an mn. What does that mean? M squared is m times m. Mn is m times n. Okay, so there's an m in both of them. So m is the highest common factor in this case. So we take the m out the front. Now, I want to end up with m squared. So when I times m by something, I want m squared, I have to go m times m. Plus in the middle, this time I want to end up with mn, not just m, but mn. So I need to have the n there as well. And let's double check. Okay, m times m gives me m squared, m times n, plus in the middle, mn. That's what we started with. All good. Hope you went well.